Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Hunter, your media specialist, going through the procedures we will use for book checkout for the school year 2020-2021. The first thing we're going to do is I need everyone to sign into Classlink using your lunch number and your password as you do each and every day. Once you get into Classlink, you'll come to your screen, which mine has a little more on it than yours, but you will locate e-library and click there. After getting there, you will see that you have Destiny, Mackinvia, and Sora Overdrive. Mackinvia and Sora are two different areas for you to read books that are ebooks, books that you can read straight from your computer. You don't have to hold them in your hand. These books, you will log in the same way that you do for Classlink. Once you are done reading these books, they will automatically go back to the shelf, so you will not have any overdue books at all. They will automatically give you 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, then your books will be returned. If you choose to get another book of another type, then you will do what is called Destiny. And then once you click on Destiny, this is what you will see. Destiny Discover. Destiny Discover is set up whereas we have a lot of different books and we have different genres and topics, and you are able to actually click on each one of these book jackets and it gives you a little more information about that book. So if I click on Bat and the Waiting Game, I get a summary. I get information about my Lexile. I get my reading level, interest level. I get whether or not the book is actually available as an accelerated reader, which we're not using at this point in time. But it gives me everything that I could possibly want to figure out whether or not this book might be interesting to me. Now, also, with these books, you will be able to place these books on hold. There is a button that will show up, not on my screen because it's asking me to actually log in, but the button will say hold. Once you hold it, I will receive an email letting me know that you want to check this book out. I will then pull the book from the shelves and I will either, if you are face-to-face, I'll bring you the book to your classroom, or if you're a virtual student, I will send you an email letting you know when you need to come up and pick your books up. If you also have books that are being returned, those books will be quarantined for a total of 72 hours, and after that the next person will be able to check that book out. So we do have a lag time, but we do have the opportunity to start checking books out so that we can all become better readers, so that we can all raise our Lexile scores, and so that we can all be the best reader possible. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. My email is hunterkl@fultonschools.org. This is Mrs. Hunter, your media specialist. Have a wonderful day, speak a kind word, and learn something new. Bye for now.